Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have an offer this 1967 Mgb Roadster. It came to us from Colorado, and the owner claims he had spent a ton of money on it, and so it's this it's finished in this opalescent dark green, black trim, 4-speed, chrome wire wheels. Pretty recent paint, in fairly decent shape. Not the most perfect paint job, but you know, still really attractive cosmetically, and really great chrome, nice interior, you know, mechanically great. You can see me driving it just preceding this video. Really no issues, just runs, drives, stop, steers, great trans, and you know, great gearbox engine. Revs, goes down the road great, you know, lots of work done mechanically, but pretty good car underneath. I didn't see any rust. You can see originally it was in Texas, and then it moved to Colorado, and then we just purchased it recently from Colorado. So let's look at the body here. A little bit of a crack here in the door, another little crack on this edge, and another little crack there. The rest of the car looks pretty darn good though. So, you know, real nice, attractive shade of opalescent dark green, kind of an E-type color. Bright work, looks really nice. I think that door just got some use and a bit of stress cracking on those two spots. But yeah, the rest of the car is really lovely. Really nice, clean, bright work. Great set of bumpers here. Great set of wheels and tires. The right front wheel has a painted wheel, but we do have the 4th chrome 48 spoke wire wheel. But you know, pretty decent little car overall, cosmetically. We did some hood adjustment, and it was clipping the center of the hood there, so that just needs a little bit of touch up. But besides that, the paint's pretty fantastic. So really attractive, eye-catching little thing. A couple chips down here on the rocker, the right rocker there. They need to be touched up, but they're nice and down low. But you know, looking around this car overall, not too much going on, except you know, just those few flaws there on the driver's side door. Interior wise, nicely redone in moss materials. I love these earlier magnolia colored instruments. These are Smith gauges. They're brand new, but they have a lighter shade on them than the black, so they're like a nice creamy magnolia color. Dashboard's painted dark green to match the car. Dash is nicely upholstered along the front here. It's fitted with this really exquisite wood alloy steering wheel. Seat belts, threshold plates, you know, speakers in the back, sound system here, modern radio with Bluetooth, newer carpets. These seats are, I think they're really good quality vinyl, but they're in excellent condition. I sit very nice and low in this car. These seats are out of like a 70 or 71, but suit the car really nicely. So they're reclinable, which is really comfortable over the original fixed 67 style you know, seats. But new lap belts fitted, lots of upholstery work done in really great condition. Let me shut that door here. But yeah, let's take a look at the engine bay in a minute. We'll just do another little quick walk around. I'll give you kind of an overview back here of the car. Really pretty opalescent metallic dark green with black interior, with black interior on a set of chrome wire wheels. Let's take a look in here. What they've done here is they've nicely carpeted all of the trunk, the soft top frames in here with a brand new cloth soft top. That still needs to be fitted to the car. Let's pop the hood here and see what's underneath. So under here, we see that the engine bay's just been lightly blackened to tidy it up. Custom air cleaners on a brand new set of SU carbs, new distributor fitted, new alternator, nice clean engine, runs great with good oil pressure. We can see some new hydraulics over here, brand new wiring harness fitted, newer aluminum radiator with a custom plastic fan. Great running little engine. I'll start it up for you and rev it. But yeah, really, really good driving car, no issues. Yeah, really, really healthy. You can see there, I've already taken it for a drive, warmed it up, good oil pressure. So really good little running, driving MGB here. But yeah, there it is. If you're in the market for one of these early Mark I MGB Roadsters, this car has been, it's been nicely restored by the previous owner, including paint, interior, wheels, mechanicals, wiring. Really attractive custom opalescent dark green, black trim, custom gauges, wood wheel, chrome wire wheel set. And there it is, 1967 MGB, opalescent dark green, black interior, black cloth top, 4-speed, chrome wires, very good value on a nicely restored Mark I Roadster.